Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Shanese Danae, and I create videos when it comes to locks as well as business related videos, entrepreneurship videos, as well as how to grow here on YouTube. But without further ado, if you're interested in wanting to know how to tie your hair up in a head wrap / turban, you know what I'm saying, then keep watching. Let's jump into it.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule?
Okay guys, so one of the things that I can recommend is that you get like a nice big scrunchie for thick hair. Even if your locks are long or short, you might want to invest in one of these. I'll have all the products down below in the description box, as well as it's just a personal preference, but do your edges. Do your edges. I'm just kidding, but I mean, it's just a personal preference if you want to do your edges or not. I like to do my edges, but sometimes I don't always do it. I just throw my hair up, and however my edges are is however it is. But I do recommend, if you're going to be using like any kind of edge control, anything like that, is to at least wash your edges around the perimeter of your hairline at least once or twice a week, and then moisturize it, only because you don't want to create buildup. You don't want to get into your locks. So that's something that I do, just to give you a little trick, so that way you don't have like cakey white stuff along your hairline, because that's not cute. These can eventually break your lock too, but whatever, at least you're kind of like eliminating that as much as possible. So I had got this head wrap on Amazon in a pack of 2 for $20. I'll leave that down below in the description box for you guys, so that way you have it. Yeah, so let's get into look number 1, okay? So one of the things that I like to do is just to open up my turban like so, and sometimes I try not to use this as much as possible, so I kind of like balance it on my head, balance my hair on my head like this, looking all crazy. But so the first thing I'm gonna do is a cute little style. I'm gonna like part my hair and bring just a little bit to the front. I'm gonna take all of this hair here, and I'm just gonna like overlap it and crisscross it, so that way it's flat against my head. I crisscross this, and I'm gonna take the back part again, and I'm just gonna crisscross that. Now if your locks are longer than mine, just go ahead and kind of like swirl them on top of each other, and use your opposite hand to hold it, putting it all up. And this is just, I call this to just grab it and hope it comes out like something. So now I'm going to take my hand, and I'm just going to twirl this the opposite direction. Okay, I feel like I said a whole lot of nothing, but I hope you got the point. Put my head wrap right over what I just created, so that way it doesn't drop. Taking this one piece, and I'm going to take this other piece, crisscross it, so that way again it doesn't fall. And I just pull it like so, and then I tuck it literally wherever I can tuck it. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, okay? You can do whatever you wish, as long as it comes out like something and it's cute. And then if it's not cute the first time, just try again. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know down below which look is your favorite. So this is look number 1. Now let's jump into look number 2. Okay, so next we're going to do the top knot bun, but I like to have my hair down, especially if your locks are long. Do it with your hair down, so that way you don't have any tension on your locks, as well as make sure that you push your scarf back a little bit with your top knot bun, so it's not on your edges. But yeah, I really love this look, and this scarf literally is so easy to use, guys, like I promise you. And you get 2 in a pack. That's saving coins.
Soak in the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me. Faking your life for the IG.
So as you can see, it's super simple and easy, and it's cute. To grab all of my locks just like that, and I'm only going to let it fall one time because I want this to be like a messy look. I'm going to take 2 locks out and have it on this side, and then 2 locks out to have it on this side. Next, you're going to grab your scarf and put it directly behind your ponytail. Just make sure you're not pulling the scarf too tight, because again, you don't want a lot of tension on your locks, and just wrap it as many times as you wish, and just go ahead and just tuck it wherever you can tuck it. Don't think too much into it, guys. I promise you the scarf is just so user friendly, and it's stretchy, so it allows you to do a lot with it. This is like a super like messy look. I feel like I look like an artist, like a painter. Like, can I say that? So I really do like this look. Ooh. So you want to be careful and just make sure that you're pulling out any locks that could be stuck in there. But yeah, that's why I don't like to pull anything like twice. I don't like to put the band twice because it's just, you don't have anything, you don't have to worry about anything pulling, and it's more comfortable. So yeah, I call this like the waterfall. Alright, so this look, you want to kind of turn your head, tilt your head to the side a little bit, and then so that way it kind of gives you a layered look. And then I kind of slowly start pushing my hair back to the side. This is one of my favorite looks that I like to do because, I don't know, it gives you not a lot of layers to your hair, but just make sure you tilt your head to the side so that way it's easier for it to layer, and then you're not pulling anything from the back because you don't want to pull your locks from the nape area and cause breakage. But yeah, so this is look number, I don't even know what number we're on, number 5, 4. I call this to just let your locks be free because I feel like sometimes you just can't make them, you just gotta let them do whatever they want to do. And then I like it because a lot of like the hair wraps that I like to use, or the hair wrap styles that I like to do, is that it's not super heavy, or it's not super like nothing's pulling, there's no tension. So sometimes you just have to let your locks do whatever they want to do and just throw the wrap in any old kind of way and call it a day. I just tuck my hair. I don't like to do it twice because again, it's just too much tension on your locks and you really don't need it to be tight. So guys, don't feel like you have to have the perfect bun, because you don't. A lot of people do it twice, and I just personally, I just think it's just too much tension. Save your edges, girl, save your edges. Okay, so now we're gonna do the traditional hair wrap. Again, I don't like to wrap my ponytail holder twice around my head. I do it very simple, and all you're doing is just crisscrossing. Oops, we have a lock there. Just tuck it if you have any like sticking out, and just lightly wrap around and tuck wherever you need to tuck once again. And that's how simple it is, guys. Super easy. Don't worry if it falls, just go ahead and rewrap it again. And as you can see directly in the front, we're going to tuck that part because you don't want that to be sticking out, because then that's not cute. So I'm going to just tuck that, and that finishes your traditional turban or a head wrap. So now for the final look, and to be honest with you, I made this up. I was like, oh wait, this is gonna be super cute. So I was thinking about like a Genie ponytail, and then I was like, oh wait, what if I did a half up, half down Genie ponytail? So yeah, and if I didn't make this up, that's fine. Just don't bash me, y'all. Don't bash me. But yeah, so I'm going to add the scarf and I'm going to put it directly in the front, and then I'm going to wrap it around my little tiny ponytail there, and that's how I'm going to achieve this look.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
So don't worry if you happen to miss some locks that are supposed to be in your ponytail. Just go ahead and just push those towards the back so that way they cannot be seen. But again, this is all about quickness. I don't try to make things perfect, but if you want it to be perfect, that's fine. But yeah, this came out super cute. Honestly, I feel like if your locks are like super long, this will be so freaking cute. My locks aren't like, especially the top of my locks, they're not like that long yet. So, oh, I wish they were. But honestly, I'll probably still rock this because this is super cute. Like, what did you say? What'd you say to me? Come again? But anyway, but yeah, I think this is like super cute. But yeah, so if you like this look, yeah, I really do like it. I like it a lot. Okay guys, so honestly I can keep going with these styles. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see more looks when it comes to wearing head wraps with your locks. But I really just want to say thank you so much for supporting me, and you guys are just such a blessing, and I'm just super grateful, and I just want to let you guys know that. But until next time, you already know what I always say. Deuces!
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna